Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. You see, guys, Atom Coins didn't disappoint you. Atom Coins is not in the mood of disappointing anyone. I'm trying my best to bring a knife and kill a zero. I want to kill a zero so badly. It's just a matter of time. I cannot wait for this to happen. Now back into the EMAs and let's look at what SHIB is doing. Finally, SHIB did it. Okay, SHIB did what SHIB had to do. So here it is, the fight between the EMAs, between the 10 and 20. If you could have really lost it, then could have touched down to the 55 and go back to the upside. But it does look like that's not what SHIB is interested in doing. What SHIB is interested in doing is you've come down, you've made a retest, you've pretty much made even a double bottom, if you may say. And from here, SHIB is actually pumping back up again, solidifying that this bull cross continues, which is a good thing. Another thing is that, and this is probably the new latest thing that I want to talk about before I close the video, is that even on the 4-hour time frame, you do have a crossover and a pretty much nice, good, positive closing again. So SHIB to me is pretty much ready, and we could be looking at this little bit of support and resistance that has broken out as well. So you may notice that this was a resistance and break and a retest. Amazing. So SHIB is pretty much ready to make it up to the next technical target, and that is going to be from there to there, and we're looking for 3560. So I'm gonna pump it for 19% and hopefully even above that. We're not stopping. Okay, sky is going to be the limit this time around. I'm gonna keep pumping it because I might pump it again the way I did it here, just like this. Oh man, how many times am I gonna say this? I know it's irritating, but yes, killing the zero is my main target. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.